Yes, and I just remembered something. One thing to note is if you do a cream tea like this, you do. Okay.
Dang it.
Welcome to Hackberry Tea. I'm Carla.
And I'm Zoe.
And today we're going to show you something that we like to call cream teas. I'm sure that you are familiar with the London fog, which is tea, steamed milk with a little bit of lavender, but we like to take those traditional recipes and apply our unique teas to them. Today we are going to brew the bourbon cream and the chocolate chip chai. If you want the recipe for the banana bread honey bush, go ahead and access it on the website.
So now we have our brewed black tea. You can follow our brewing guide instructions on the website, or you can use our labels on the tea bag. You want to brew the bourbon cream or the chocolate chip chai at 212 degrees for 3 minutes. We brewed it a little bit longer because I found that for a tea latte or a cream tea, you want the tea itself to be a little bit stronger. So we brewed ours for more about 4 to 5 minutes.
And I'm going to go ahead and start pouring some milk and some froth, and you can use any kind of frothing method you like. I have a frother, so I chose to use that, but you can do it over your stovetop using your wand on your espresso machine, really whatever you have and whatever you like. So I'm going to pour a little milk and froth. You can add any kind of powder that you like, chocolate, what others? Nutmeg, cinnamon, anything like that, anything you like. You can also add some sweetened condensed milk or some vanilla extract, depending on what flavors you like.
Now, if you don't prefer dairy, you can make cream-based teas with almond milk, oat milk, any type of non-dairy milk you like.
Yeah, and oat milk is really a great frothing milk. I love good foam, and I can get some pretty good foam out of oat milk. So we're gonna go ahead and taste this and give you an idea of what we think. That was really good.
That was really good. That foam topping is really nice.
Yeah, it is really nice. And for this one, I really could taste the chocolate and the chai. And honestly, chai is, I wouldn't say it's one of my favorites, but when you add the chocolate to it, it really is,
Yeah,
it really is
steps
really
it up.
good. It does, it does. And with the foam and the milk, I really liked it.
With the bourbon cream, I really like that the milk kind of balances the flavor of the bourbon. This tea also uses the lapsang souchong tea, which is a very smoky black tea. So the creaminess of the milk really helps to balance that smoky flavor. It's very comforting, very warm. It's really nice.
So if you want to try a cream tea at home, there's lots of teas that we offer that are really great for cream teas. But one thing to remember is if you try it with a fruit tea or one that has hibiscus, the milk may curdle. So you may not get this, nice creamy look to it. So just so you know, just take note of that. Did you have anything else to add, Zoe?
I think if you prefer an iced beverage, you can always let your steeped tea cool a little bit and then add some ice and then just use cold milk.
Right, yeah, anything like that.
Yep. So don't forget, we also have our recipe for our banana bread honey bush cream tea. You can find that in the link in our YouTube description box. We'll also have a collection of our favorite teas that we like to use for lattes or cream-based teas as well.
So if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a comment. We would love to hear the different kind of cream teas that you like and that you've tried among the wide variety of teas that are really great to have as a cream tea from Hackberry. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you.